Managing service contracts for home warranty is complex, especially when dealing with multiple providers. To streamline the process and increase the bottom line for home warranty companies, Encompass has teamed up to offer HomeFree, an all-in-one solution for in-home service, claims administration, and repair parts supply. From recruiting and training service technicians to managing parts supply to promoting contract renewals and more, HomeFree is designed to eliminate the burdens of fulfilling and retaining home warranty contracts while enhancing the homeowner experience. Encompass partners with other support companies to deliver an array of valuable contract fulfillment solutions from one convenient source. Our ultimate goal is to help warranty companies provide superior service to homeowners, preserve their reserves, and boost the bottom line. We focus on enabling more repairs by sourcing even the hardest to find parts from all the top manufacturer brands. This helps warranty companies minimize costly buyouts and product replacements. HomeFree has helped clients reduce buyouts and field service dispatches by as much as 40%. One partner was able to save $425,000 in labor alone, while another avoided more than $1 million in product replacements. We are confident we can significantly impact your bottom line as well, and invite you to use our online calculator to see the potential savings for your organization. In addition to helping warranty companies fulfill existing contracts, we also assist with contract renewals. We offer consumers home maintenance checks to educate them on the benefits of water and air filters and other consumables to keep their products running smoothly. We are able to use this time to also promote the value of their home warranty and offer convenient renewal. With HomeFree, you benefit from fully managed services. We handle contract fulfillment so you can focus on growing your business. A cohesive environment that seamlessly connects your organization, field service management, dispatching, repair parts, and the homeowner. Consistent service nationwide, ensuring homeowners receive the same superior support no matter where they live. Standardized reporting, delivering full visibility and uniform reports on all aspects of your HomeFree program. Service center reliability, technician training, licensing, insurance, recurring background checks. We manage it all to give you and the homeowner complete peace of mind. And most importantly, homeowner satisfaction. Our team is focused on keeping homeowners informed, involved, engaged, and loyal. The HomeFree Total Solution provides a seamless, professional, and consistent service experience for your homeowners. For more information, please contact customer care@encompass.com.